town of Bridgewater lies in the heart of Virginia's Shenandoah Valley, the top agricultural region in the state. My cousins are the fourth generation on Hillview Farm. Their daughters are the fifth generation to run the dairy farm, and their grandchildren are the sixth generation to live there. My parents have some of the original bottles from when they used to bottle and sell their own milk in town. The house is pretty much the same as it was at family gatherings when I was a kid, but the farm has expanded significantly over the years. Most recently, in late 2022, with a multi-million-dollar addition up the hill from the original buildings. The new building is over 400 feet long, built to manage hundreds of head of dairy cattle. One track handles feeding the cattle, with hay distributed by this robot along a circuitous track. Another automated system cleans up what comes out the other end. Electronic tracking collars and tags monitor the cow's activity, like numbers of steps, whether they've been milked recently, whether they're eating regularly, and alert when abnormal behaviors are measured that might indicate a sick cow. This brush responds to the force of an insistent cow, and few things feel better than a good head and neck scratch. But the most incredible parts to us were the automated milking machines. Cows step into a pen when they're ready, and a cabinet full of computerized parts go to work, gently latching on to each nipple and milking away. Off to a room full of pumps and tanks. Samples are taken and chemically analyzed for toxins and hormone levels, and the results recorded, with alerts going out if something is abnormal. A sick cow can be identified and isolated quickly, which is better for the cow as well as the whole herd. A gentle puff of air signals the cow that the hoses will be detached. This is only the second automated system in the state of Virginia, and the production efficiencies this expensive upgrade provides could pay for itself in just 10 years, making it more likely that future generations can run and live on Hillview Farm.